Find the Lucid Whiteboard link in the left menu of your Canvas course. Click the option to explore Lucid. This will open the application in a browser window. If you are prompted, log in with your UK email address. You may be asked to choose a new password and verify your account. You can also choose the SSO login option to use your Link Blue account. Once you are logged in, you can create a new map document or revise an existing template. Tools for adding shapes and arrows are in the left menu. Use the zoom tools in the lower right corner to view your map in different sizes. When you are finished and ready to export your map, use the three-line menu in the upper left near the logo and select the option to export your map. Be sure you choose the PDF, JPEG, or PNG options. The export window will present a view of your document. Be sure you export the full canvas or choose an option that includes all of the pages on your map document.